Hi everyone! What we have here is a monster SUV. This is a level 6 YUKON DENALI. To stop this beast, we only use the best big brake. This is the BREMBO GT. This is the biggest BREMBO brake upgrade that will fit on a 22-inch wheel, original 22-inch wheels. This is an 8-pot big brake. It's a 412 mm cross drill caliper. Sorry, rotor. All the hose bracket is original BREMBO. This is made in Italy. We can customize the color of the brake to your preferences, like yellow, black, and many more. This is available for all types of vehicle. No to fake BREMBO. Beware of fake BREMBO wheels. Get your authentic big brake here at PRS. Please also subscribe my YouTube channel here at PRS. Because your safety is our first priority here at PRS. Stay safe always, guys. Bye!